If you ever dreamed of making money while relaxing at your gaming chair or traveling the world, well, you are in the right place. Today we are going to see the 7 laziest but super easiest way to make money online. These ideas are so simple you will feel like it's too good to be true until you start seeing the money come in. So let's get started. The first way on my list is the proofreading with AI. Here you don't actually have to do a proofreading yourself. You can use free AI tool like 𝘀𝗵𝗶 or Google Gemini to do it for you. And here's how you do it. Sign up on a freelancing website like guru.com, fiverr.com or freelancing.com and offer your services as a proofreader. When someone sends you a text to proofread, just copy paste the text into 𝘀𝗵𝗶 or Google Gemini and let AI do its magic, and then send the corrected text back to your customer and get paid. People are making $20 to $100 an hour doing this. With 𝘀𝗵𝗶 or Google Gemini, you will be faster than others. Imagine relaxing on your couch, watching your favorite shows and letting AI to do all proofreading work. You get paid, your client will get the perfect text, easy peasy. Why not offer more services like editing or formatting? You can use tools like Grammarly with 𝘀𝗵𝗶 or Google Gemini to improve the text even more without much effort. This means you offer more services, you charge higher rate, all while staying comfy at your home. The second way on my list is transcribing with AI tools. If you enjoy listening to podcasts or speeches, this method is perfect for you. Transcribing audio can earn you 30 cents to $1 per minute. Here's how. Sign up on a freelancing website that I've mentioned before. Get your client's audio file to transcribe. Sign up on a ref.com. This amazing AI tool will help you to transcribe audio into text. Upload your audio and let the Rev AI tool do its magic and it will give you the transcribe audio into text. However, this is a paid tool. Let me show you another amazing AI tool that can transcribe audio into text that you can use for free. 𝗲𝗵𝗁.com is another amazing AI tool that can help you to transcribe audio into text. But the thing is, it gives you some credit to transcribe audio into text. And here's the trick to use it for free. Sign up on 𝗲𝗵𝗁.com with temporary emails and you can do this for unlimited time to get unlimited credit, and you can use that credit to transcribe audio into text. The best part is, if you use the 𝗲𝗵𝗁.com to transcribe audio into text, it will give you the accurate result. Once your transcription is ready, send the text back to your client and get paid. Third way is faceless YouTube channel. This method is personal favorite of many lazy money makers. YouTube channels can generate consistent passive income every month. Here's how you do it without even showing your face. Use AI tool like 𝘀𝗵𝗶 or Google Gemini to write a video script for you, and then head over to 11 Labs to generate human-like AI voices. Once you got your AI voice from 11 Labs, now it's time to add visuals in editing software. To add visuals, you can use the stock footages from websites like 𝗲𝗁.com or 𝗲𝗶𝗶.com and then edit your video in free editing software like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Once you have uploaded the videos, they can keep earning money for you even while you sleep. Some people are making thousands of dollars from the video that they have uploaded from years ago. And the best part is, after initial work, the video continue to get view and make money without you to do anything else. It's like a planting a money tree. Do the work once and watch the money. And here's the pro tip. Focus on creating videos about trending topics and the content that stay relevant over the time. Also consider creating several channels on different topics to spread out your income. It's like having a multiple tree in your yard that give you fruit all year long. Number 4. Sell your AI generated arts. You can make money by selling your AI generated arts on Wirestock. If you love art but don't want to create it yourself, this method is perfect for you. Wirestock.io will let you sell your photos, videos or AI generated arts. Here's how you can do it easily. You can use free AI tool like Sia.ai or Leonardo.ai to create amazing photos. Upload these photos on Wirestock.ai and get paid. Participate in challenges on the platform for chance to win extra cash. Track your earning and enjoy making money from the art that you don't actually create. It's easy money, just press few buttons and AI do the rest. You get to feel like an artist without doing any hard work. Just sit back and relax and let AI create amazing pieces that can earn you steady income. To increase your chance of making sale, don't just stick to the one platform. Upload your creation to multiple stock photo websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. The more places your art is available, the better your chance of making money. Fifth, but the most effective way to make money is through high-ticket YouTube automation. Regular YouTube automation is good, but the high-ticket YouTube automation is where real money is. This method focuses on the niche with high CPM and sell high ticket product. Here's how you do it. First, find a niche with high CPM like finance or technology. Then create a valuable content using AI tools for scripting and video creation like I told you before. Promote high ticket affiliate products in your videos just like I do. If you go to my YouTube channel and watch some of my videos, and you'll find out that I promote high ticket affiliate products. For example, dropshipping services as an affiliate that makes me 6-figure affiliate income every month. And you can also monetize your channel with YouTube ads. This approach lets you earn a lot of money with less effort. It's all about working smarter, not harder. The best part is you can automate the process using AI tools, making it one of the easiest but most profitable way to make money online. Upload video regularly, engage with your audience, and stay top of the latest trend. Soon you'll have a well-oiled money-making machine. Number 6 way to make money online is by using like-for-like bot to grow your social media account. Engagement is crucial on social media, and like-for-like.org allow you to earn credit by interacting with other people's posts. But instead of doing it manually, you can automate this process. First, you have to sign up on like-for-like.org and then install a bot that will automatically like a post for you. As a bot, earn credit, you can use them to grow your own social media accounts. Once your social media account has grown, you can sell them on platforms like fameswap.com for $100 or even thousands of dollars. Imagine waking up and see all your social media account has grown overnight, all because of bot did this work for you while you were sleeping. Here's a pro tip: create account in multiple niches. This way you can sell your different types of account to various buyers. It will increase your chance of making sales. It's like having a variety of valuable online properties. The way number 7 is high-paying affiliate products. Affiliate marketing is the most popular way to make money online, but if you promote the product that offers high payout, can be even more profitable. To earn a lot with less effort, start by finding the high payout products on websites like Digistore24, PartnerStack, and ClickBank.com, and then create content around those high payout products. You can create blog posts, videos to promote those high payout products on your website or maybe on your YouTube channel, and consider using AI tool that I've mentioned early in this video to create content easily and quickly. Focus on a product that pay you at least $250 per sale. With just few sales each month, make you significant income. This method works well if you create blog posts or YouTube videos like I mentioned before, and this will make you a consistent income every month. It's like being a salesperson who never has to leave the couch. Just create the valuable content once and sit back, relax, and enjoy your affiliate earning every single month. And don't forget to promote your affiliate links on your social media platform like Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, or TikTok. This way you can drive more traffic towards your affiliate products, and it will increase your chance making sales. Now go ahead, try out these 7 laziest ways to make money online, and don't forget to let me know in the comment section below which one you have tried or plan to try. I hope you found the video useful. If so, don't forget to hit the like button, that would be appreciated, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.